everybody. So it's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to today's conversation with acclaimed actor Mrs. Neena Gupta on living life queen size, mistakes, milestones, and making it big. Coming live to you from Herky. I'm the founder of Herky, and it's a real pleasure for me to invite and welcome such an incredible woman on our stage. Because this is a woman who truly shows what it means to live life unapologetically. With multiple national awards and a career spanning decades, she's redefined success on her own terms, proving that reinvention has no age limit. Time and again, Neena Ji has shattered stereotypes through her choice of roles and portrayal of women. All of us saw her in Badai Ho. She portrayed a middle aged woman navigating unexpected pregnancies, pushing back against societal taboos, and of course, winning hearts, not just awards. As Majnu Devi in Panchayat, she stepped into the shoes of a village pradhan, embracing authority in a most understated way. And in a short film, Khurji, she explored sexual desire and intimacy at an age when culture often suggests that such topics should be silenced. Today, her memoir, Sach Kahu To, is just one example of her honesty and courage. She's never shied away from sharing her story, her mistakes, her learnings, and in doing so, she's inspired countless women to stand tall in her truth. Today, her memoir, such we are also joined today by Archana Datta, who is the CEO of Ink Women and the founder of Second Act, another champion of embracing every chapter of life fully. Together, we have recently launched a special project spotlighting 49 women from across industries. And why 49? Because women make up 49% of the world's population, and it's high time that their stories shape the world that we live in. So please join me all in welcoming Mrs. Neena Gupta and Miss Archana Datta on this stage. And we definitely want to make this an engaging session. So all of you who have made the effort of joining us live on this Sunday morning, do put in your questions in the Q&A box. I, as a moderator, will keep a count of them, try to put them together, and then get to answering as many as we can get from Mrs. Neena Gupta live. Thank you so much. Archana, back to you.
Yes, thank you so much. Neena ji, welcome, welcome, welcome. इतने सारे questions हैं कि I don't know where to begin. So let me begin by the first one, which is like, what makes you so amazing?
Very difficult question. This is
You are such an amazing person. So tell us, what are the ingredients of being such an amazing person?
other people has to answer this question. I can't answer.
कि आपके क्या ingredients हैं जो नीना गुप्ता को बनाता है आज today, literally?
एक तो simple life है, simple life, simple living, and I think education plays a very important part in your
So true.
in your being. So my mother herself was a double MA herself in those days, and I when I wanted to join School of Drama, and she said, no, you have to finish your MA. I did MA MPhil in Sanskrit then. So when I came here, I was educated. It made a lot of difference in my dealings with this very difficult world here. And
Yes.
I think I say thanks to my, that time I used to curse her, why I don't want to become a teacher, why I want to do studies. But today I realize that they come of use at every step of your life. And
Yeah.
I think that helped me a lot in not going in a wrong direction during my struggle.
Got
Which
it.
is very easy to do. So I feel education is very important.
Thank you for saying that, and I truly agree with you कि कहीं ना कहीं हमारी education shapes us to who we become, because it's also about imbibing what we are reading and not just about, just doing textbooks. But you have really lived a life, and also I just watched the Metro movie, and amazing work again. It really brings in front how women actually lead their life. And then there is a time when we start to question that life and say, okay, what is it that this person wants? And आपने वो बहुत बारी through your work दिखाया है. And because you also live that life in your own personal way. So tell us, how does that really shape you up? Today also to choose a cinema that you wanted to do, to take really voice that really mattered. How did you shape yourself up to be so bold and fiery?
See, I don't think I have not met anybody who has lived life on their own terms.
Yes.
Okay. God never gives everything to anybody. I have not seen that. So what I did was, I don't know, this is how I make build. What I did was that through the failures, I kept on moving on. If I did not get work for many, many years, I used to think in my mind, okay, doesn't matter. I'm educated, I'm MPhil. I will go and teach somewhere. I do not have to beg for money or do wrong things to earn money. But somewhere I used to, all the time when I failed, I did not get work, whatever. I started from ABC again. Like I started, अच्छा चलो फोटो खिंचा के फोटो लोगों को भेजो, you know, like that. And हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं होते थे कि पोर्टफोलियो बनाए and all that. And I was looking for that one break which I got with बधाई हो. उसकी वजह से मेरा पूरा जीवन बदल गया क्योंकि उसकी वजह से मुझे लोग सीरियस एक्टर के नाम से जानने लगे और मुझे काम मिलने लगा. बट चाहे काम हो चाहे जीवन हो, नॉर्मल जीवन हो, आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए क्योंकि इसके अलावा कोई चारा नहीं है. What will you do? What will you do? You have to keep on moving. I mean, if I'll tell you, for example, if I didn't have money to buy something and I'm very fond of shopping, I used to go do window shopping and go to those kind of shops where I can buy things for 500 rupees or, you know, 1,000 rupees. So people may say कि हाँ आपके पास तो बड़े पैसे थे ना, आप तो, किसी के पास सब कुछ नहीं होता, याद रखो. आपको मेहनत, the only thing is आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है और आगे बढ़ते रहना. There is nothing else. Hard work is the only thing which will give you something. Nothing else.
Very beautifully said, and thank you for that. But आपने एक बार ही बोला था कि you know that being a housewife made people take you for granted, and that work gave you respect. So today, what advice would you give to women feeling invisible in their homes or lives?
I would say, ठीक है, do your duties as a housewife, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law or whatever, as a daughter. But you must have your own life, and most important, you must have your own money. I have known so many women who have been subjected to domestic violence से लेकर वायलेंस एक मेंटल भी होती है जो फिजिकल से वर्स होती है, वो जो टॉर्चर, मेंटल टॉर्चर होता है. And I've seen a lot of women over the years who cannot get out of this torture because where will they go? What will they do? Where is the money? So now the problem is if you earn your own money, like how now these days young girls are getting educated, sometimes they're earning more than their husbands or their boyfriends. A problem here is that now the marriages are not working because they don't take any shit from the man. So they leave. So that is another problem. So that balance, I don't know how that balance has to be done. But क्या है ना, 1 and 2 तो होना ही पड़ेगा. 1 and 1 नहीं हो सकता. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I accept 2. Even I accept 2 sometimes with my husband at my age. I accept 2. I'm happy.
I think that's a very important message, especially for the younger women of today. You know, कि आपने बोला कि 1 and 1 नहीं, there will always be then conflict. There'll always be, you know, things which will come as an ego. And sometimes कोई और one बने और तुम two बनो, कभी तुम one बनो, कोई और two बने. So I think that is
That is what, yeah.
very
जहाँ आपको
beautiful.
बहुत तकलीफ नहीं है, जहाँ आपका अपमान नहीं हो रहा, जहाँ यू आर रिस्पेक्टेड, वहां आप टू हो जाओ ना. क्या
So right. So thank you for saying that. And now I want to come to romance, because also you said once that as long as you're breathing, who doesn't dream of romance? And this is true honesty, I would say. But this doesn't come out for women. We always try to feel tabooed with, sex, romance, and anything to do with women's feelings. But I see you as that beautiful person who not only speaks about it, but is very open to, even embracing it in many ways. So, what do you have to say to women who, especially, are hearing today about this all tabooed words that we use about ourselves?
it is very difficult to say anything because everybody has a very different situation. Whatever I say does not, वो सब पे लागू नहीं हो सकता है.
Hmm.
देखो, मैंने एक दिन ये भी अपनी पोस्ट में कहा था कि ना, समझो आप मरते दम तक आप रोमांटिक हो, सब है. तो
हाँ.
कोई लोग सपने में शाहरुख के खान के साथ भी हो सकते हैं. तो मैंने बोला आप दिन में सपना देख सकते हैं और उसी से खुश हो जाओ. यू इमेजिन थिंग्स, उससे कोई नुकसान भी नहीं होता और आपकी इच्छाएं भी पूरी हो जाती हैं. It is a very difficult thing because in our society women are not supposed to have any romantic feelings after they give birth to children, and they are married only with their husbands. And I mean, husbands can look at other women also. You can also look at other men, but if you don't do anything, then you will be in trouble. But women do look at other men. तो सड़क में जाते हैं, अच्छा हैंडसम आदमी दिखता है तो देखते हैं ना. अब कर नहीं सकते कुछ, तो करना भी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत ट्रबल हो जाती है. But who's stopping you to have romantic feelings? You can have. Who's stopping you? Now,
आपके
say.
No, I was saying आपके जैसे, very open-minded conversations, and, that changes the narrative of how we start thinking about our own selves. And that's why these voices are so important on this platform to say this. Yes, we are people, by gift. No,
Also, very important thing is, which is happening, I see हर नुक्कड़ पे gyms खुल रहे हैं, and middle-aged women, 50s में women are going to the gyms. So हमारे इंडिया में women used to let themselves go after the baby is born because they used to think, now where will the husband go? बच्चे हैं तो छोड़ के तो जाएगा नहीं. Then they realize वो तो बच्चों को छोड़ के भी जा सकता है. अभी क्या? So now, very important thing, not for just your husband or for a man, for yourself to stay fit, to look good.
yeah.
When you look good, you get self-esteem, you get self-confidence. उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. ये नहीं कि पड़े पड़े टीवी देख रहे हैं और 4 कप चाय पी रहे हैं दिन में. मैं जानती हूँ ऐसे लोगों को ना, टीवी देखते हैं क्योंकि हस्बैंड कमाता है, चलता है अपना, बच्चों का हमारा काम है बच्चों को देखना. देखो, मैंने भी बच्चे को अकेले देखा है, बट आई लुक्ड आफ्टर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. मेरा रोज मन नहीं करता, मैं सुबह योगा करने के लिए अपने को पुश करना पड़ता है. समटाइम्स आई हैव टू रियली पुश एंड आई से इट अलाउड, चल चल कर, आई से इट लाइक दैट. सो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
So right.
सिर्फ शिकायत करना, सारा टाइम शिकायत नहीं करो, मेहनत करो.
I think एक बहुत अच्छी जो आपने बात करी was to be very, very vulnerable at many points in your life. One, when people were judging you. Second, when you had no work. So what really makes you this person who is, or who could conform to all this and then rebuild herself back again? What did that do to you then, and how did you really come out of that?
When I was going through, when Masaba was born, all these things, what helped me? Again, the same thing. I did not ask for financial and emotional support from anybody.
Mm.
I could do without it. I had my father, my family for my emotional support, and I didn't have much money, but I was working. I worked when Musaba was very small. I went for that Sanjay Khan's that Tipu Sultan. I had to work. So I realized when you don't, when people know that you are not asking for any of these two supports, then they come to you.
Really?
हाँ, अदरवाइज बोलेंगे अरे यार जाएगी तो ये तो पैसे मांगेगी या बोलेगी रोएगी, अपना रोना रोएगी, यही करेंगे ना. व्हेन यू आर इन डिफिकल्टी, व्हाट विल यू डू? या तो पैसे मांगो किसी से, या बोलो रोओगे अपना रोना. अब लोग भी ज्यादा रोना सुनना नहीं पसंद करते ना, अनलेस इट्स योर वेरी वेरी क्लोज फैमिली और समथिंग. फैमिली भी तंग आ जाती है. सो then I realized that because I don't need these two things from anybody, I can survive. Again, my education. स्कूल में नौकरी कर लूंगी ना, खाने में तो ज्यादा पैसे लगते नहीं. एंड माय फादर गेव मी अ हाउस, यू नो. सो आई हैड, लाइक माय मदर ऑलवेज सेड कि सबसे जरूरी होती है औरत के लिए सर पे छत. खाने खाने में ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लगता है, उतना आप कमा सकते हो, झाड़ू पोछा लगा के भी कमा सकते हो. सो छत. सो माय मदर व्हेन शी वाज, ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारे मरने के बाद इसको ये दे देना, मेरे भाई को ये देना. तो व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड हियर एंड आई वाज लिविंग इन अ पीजी एंड ऑल, सो माय मदर टोल्ड माय फादर कि हमारे मरने की वो वेट क्यों करे, आपके पास जो एक्स्ट्रा है उसको दे दो ना, जो उसको बाद में देना है, अपना रखो. एंड दिस इज व्हाट मदर्स शुड डू. ये नहीं कि अब तो मरने की वेट करते रहे. उनके बच्चे, जब बच्चे को आज जरूरत है तो आज दे दो ना, शायद जब आपके मरने के बाद उसे जरूरत ही ना हो. सो I had chat and I had education. That was fine. And a will to do hard work.
But you come from a time when this was not accepted, Neena ji. This is not something that, the way that you're saying today. Of course, I'm sure that there was a lot which went behind. And there are some innate things that women go through. Guilt सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है. Shame एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो कि हम हमेशा, and of course कि, we are not doing enough or unless. So these are some feelings that women go through all the time. Did you also go through these, or are you saying that, you could, in your regular life, this did not really matter to you that much because of your family,
No,
your education, whatever?
I still feel guilt that I could not give much time to Masaba when she was young. Till today, I'm very guilty. कभी कभी सोने से पहले या सुबह उठ के अचानक से लगता है अरे यार, अगर मैं ऐसा करती थी तो शायद वो ऐसी होती, शायद उसका कुछ अलग प्रोफेशन. मतलब बहुत सारी बातें होती है कि
Yes.
उसको ना पूरा भरा परिवार, प्रॉपर परिवार नहीं दिया, वो सब गिल्ट बहुत होता है. बट अब क्या करूं, गिल्ट है तो मैंने गलती की. आई एक्सेप्ट माई गलती एंड मूव ऑन. उसके पीछे रोती रहूंगी तो फिर रोती रहूंगी, फिर क्या, फिर तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
आपसे बहुत कुछ है जो कि आज के generation, including women like us who are still battling in between.
One second.
Yes.
Everybody always is balancing, huh? We are balancing and juggling right now also, Neena ji. I
Yeah,
said आप अभी भी बैलेंस और जगल कर रहे हैं. आप अब म्यूट पे है.
I think she's on the phone.
हो गया.
हाँ, अभी ठीक है. नहीं, वापस म्यूट पे है.
Right. Okay.
हाँ.
हाँ ना, अब तो ग्रैंड मदर होगी तो अभी तो और भी स्ट्रगल है.
Oh,
ये तो चलता रहेगा.
but जो आपने वापस जब आपने अपनी लाइफ में मूवीज को एक्सेप्ट किया या मूवीज ने आपको एक्सेप्ट किया, लेट्स पुट इट दिस वे, the kind of roles that you're leading today are very much about the women voices. So, is there something that has defined you? You have defined them. How are you seeing cinema of today then, shaping women?
See, the people are offering me those kind of roles only. I mean, so, and sometimes right now I can say no also because I'm not dependent on that money now. So I don't like something, I say no. But people are offering me substantial and very sensitive roles, which I'm liking. You know.
Hmm.
And yeah, I'm enjoying. Sometimes I feel I wish I had got my break in much younger times. और हमारे टाइम में OTT और ये सब नहीं था ना, अभी तो बहुत चांस मिलता है यंगस्टर्स को, बट वो तो नहीं है possible. So whatever I have, so the main thing is whatever God or whosoever you believe in gives you, make the most of it. That's my theory. मैं सोचूं मेरे को ये नहीं मिला, मैं तो इससे अच्छी लगती थी, मैं तो इससे अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हूँ, नहीं, खत्म, छोड़ो, जो मिला, make the most of it, enjoy it.
So अगर आपको, if you have to go back in time and tell something to your 20s self, when you were in your 20s, what advice would you give today?
I'll kill myself for the stupidities I've done.
My God.
I'll kill myself.
Not at all, not at all. Then how would we get you on this show and be so inspired by whatever you have done today, So I don't think these were mistakes, but
नए अवतार में आती शायद.
आपने अपना जो memoir किया, in 2021, सच कहूँ तो, how did you decide this was the time to tell your story?
It was COVID time and I was stuck in my house in Mukteshwar. I was there for 6 months. I had gone there for a week and then there was lockdown, and I had time, beautiful house I have there. My husband's made a very nice house. Also, I have been thinking, I took some advance also some many years ago to write my memoirs. But I could not write because I could not be honest vis-a-vis my family. I could not be honest about telling their story because they may not like it. I was not sure and I was not comfortable. So when I wrote, then nobody was living. Everybody had passed away. That's a very important reason. Yeah. So, so my mother, father, brother, bhabhi, everybody passed away. So I could write about them because, for example, my mother suffered all her life to hide something from the society. So it was unfair for me to say that when she was alive. Anyway, I was not thinking of writing that she was alive because she died pretty young. So that's how I started to write.
Okay, I'm going to ask you my last question before I give it to Neha to get the questions from everybody who's joined in today. I want to ask you about your mother-daughter bond, your relationship with Masaba, the way that you started to parent her to the way that you are a friend to her today. What's changed and what is the advice for the mothers of today that you want to give?
We are friends with, we are friends, but we know that she knows that she's the daughter and I'm the mother. So,
Okay.
so there's a line which we don't cross, both of us. And she knows what I will say, that actually I don't have to say. Mother, daughter they will do anything for each other. There's nothing to say. No advice. They know.
So right. All right, Neha, the floor is yours because I know there are so many questions. So over to you. Neena ji, thank you. आप बहुत amazing हो, as I said in the beginning.
Hina ji, this was absolutely a pleasure, to just sit back and listen to you and get to know the person behind the whole character that we get to see on the screen. And before I start asking you the questions, this was my granddad's favorite poem, जिसकी मेरे को याद आ गई after listening to you. And it says that मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी भटकते भटकते, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Uh, and I think, when you spoke about your life's journey, and I know, and I saw on the chat the reactions that came also, where, you said that there were so many things that you did right, and there were so many things that you did wrong, and you wish you hadn't done what was wrong and all. And everybody on the chat was like, thank you for sharing everything that you did wrong also, because frankly, उसी में तो सबसे बड़ा learning है हम सबके लिए. Yeah, and thank you for being so candid. तो मैं अभी कोशिश करने वाली हूँ कि I've kind of categorized some of the questions that have come in. And first, I'm going to ask you a little questions overall on facing challenges. Okay? तो जैसे सुनीता ने पूछा है कि in your journey of breaking stereotypes, from being a single mother in the spotlight to reinventing yourself as an actor at an age when the industry sidelines women, what inner dialogue or self talk helped you face the world when no one was clapping for you?
Hard work, starting from the scratch, being financially independent.
लेकिन
And
आप खुद को क्या बोले, like, what did Neena ji tell Neena ji to like keep going?
हाँ, I used to say, चल वापस फोटो खिंचाते हैं. I found some guy who जगदीश माली who never used to charge me. फोटो खिंचाते हैं, फिर चल जा. अभी उस डायरेक्टर से मिलते हैं. अच्छा नहीं, मैं नहीं फोन करती, वो मेरे से बदतमीजी भी करती, से बात करेगा तो मुझे हर्ट होगा. So I used to keep on telling then वो हम सब कोई हमको तब तो वो नहीं थे ना, तब तो सिर्फ बड़े बड़े फिल्में ही होती थी, तो हमको कोई डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर मिलता भी नहीं था, है ना. तो हम मतलब उस तक पहुंच ही नहीं सकते थे. सो देन वी यूज्ड टू हैंग अराउंड एट P3, ऑल ऑफ अस एक्टर्स. एंड देन I was living in PG, so I started making जो ओनर था प्रहलाद कक्कड़, I started making बैंगन का भरता, which they used to like in their cafe. There was a P3 cafe, and he used to give me free food. So main thing is there is no sharam in doing any kind of job. मेरे साथ के एक्टर लोग जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे मुझ पे हंसते थे. मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड जो उस वक्त था, जिसके साथ मैं आई थी बॉम्बे, वो उसने मुझे बोला तू वेट्रेस बनने आई है बॉम्बे. सो क्या हुआ, उसका कुछ नहीं हुआ. वो मुझसे अपनी सिगरेट के लिए पैसे उधार ले. You know what I mean? So there is no work which is less, so you can survive. Okay, don't think कि नहीं मिला या पैसे नहीं है, तो you can survive if you be honest with yourself and do hard work and do any work.
Amazing. Okay, then I'm going to take one question on balance. Okay, Bhavya Sharma has asked, what motivated you to be a single mom, raise a child so wonderfully, and manage your acting career alongside? I am trying to pursue a regular degree at 33, conceived due to family pressure, and try bringing in a new venture for mental health for the entire nation. How do I manage all of this? Also, Runa Sinha has also asked कि many a times you're torn between duties and dreams. So how do you choose your path?
You have to have your priorities very clear. I know so many women who start what they dreamt of much later after the kids have grown up and they are going to school, and then they can manage. So you have to have your own priority. And I'll tell you something, please don't be a single mother. It is very tough. It is very bad for the kid. It is unfair to the child because child doesn't have a proper family. and child needs both the parents and the relatives, etc., etc. Just because I have done and निभा लिया किसी तरह doesn't mean you should do. Please don't do.
ओके बट नीना जी आपने निभाया, आप ऐसे बोल रहे हैं निभा लिया कैसी भी, आई मीन दैट चाइल्ड इज मसाबा गुप्ता। आई मीन एनी मदर वुड बी thrilled and proud of their parenting, of what they have done in parenting when you have a child like that.
You understand? So again, what I say now, whatever you have got, you make the most of it. So I tried for years. मैं कभी पिक्चर देखने नहीं जाती थी, मैं ब्यूटी पार्लर में जाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता था, मैंने कोई इंजॉयमेंट की नहीं, काम करना पड़ता था, पैसे चाहिए थे, काम पापा, मेरे पापा ने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया, he came and lived with me, he was my man of my life at that time. एंड मैं आती थी सुबह 8 बजे निकलती थी, रात को 10:30 बजे आती थी, आके मसाबा मुझसे बात करना चाहती है, पापा मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं, दिन में ये हुआ, आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट, सो आई सफर्ड अ लॉट.
Yeah.
It was tough life for me. It was not a life which I enjoyed so much. I could have enjoyed if things were different. So I'm not saying that there's something wrong with Masaba or whatever. I'm just saying that it is very tough.
And on that note, Sayona Xavier has asked, okay, that my question is, many times in life, we feel the deep desire to live authentically, to follow our heart, and to create the life we truly want. But the truth is, our lives are interconnected with our loved ones, and our choices inevitably impact them also. How can we strike a mindful balance? How can we honor our own truth without causing pain or conflict to those who love us? I would love to hear your perspective on this. क्या question है?
मतलब मेरे पास कोई आंसर नहीं है इसका. Very tough, but I've seen women who find balance. वही है, फिर आपको एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करना पड़ता
आई थिंक नीना जी, मैंने एक भी
है.
चीज नोटिस की है कि maybe it doesn't cause so much hurt and pain and conflict on our loved ones, you know, because वो loved ones, if they see us being happy and fulfilled and achieving our dreams, उन लोग को भी खुशी होगी.
जरूरी नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये क्वेश्चन जो है, प्रॉब्लम यही है कि लव्ड वंस एक्चुअली लव्ड वंस नहीं है.
अगर उन लोग को खुशी नहीं है तो फिर loved ones एक्चुअली नहीं है,
That's
नहीं उनकी.
what I'm saying ना, इसलिए मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकती,
हम्म.
क्योंकि अगर वो लव्ड वन है, वो तो आपको एनकरेज करेगा ना, या करेगी,
Yeah,
either way.
yeah.
अगर वो नहीं करता है या करती, दैट मीन्स वो लव्ड वंस है ही नहीं, वो प्रिटेंड कर रहे हैं, वो अपनी ड्यूटी. You see, there is a very amazing two words I find, जो बहुत ही मतलब लड़ते हैं आपस में. एक है लव और एक है ड्यूटी.
हम्म.
बहुत करोड़ों लोगों की पूरी उम्र ड्यूटी में निकल जाती है आराम से, पर फिर ये जो क्वेश्चन इन्होंने पूछा है ना, वो फिर उनका नहीं.
हम्म.
Like,
एक्चुअली एक सेइंग है कि those who mind don't matter.
देखो, men also are duty bound, women also are duty bound, है ना. पर आदमी की भी अपनी असली हसरतें नहीं पूरी हो पाती, बिकॉज उसको 3 बच्चे हो गए, 2 बच्चे हो गए, कमाना पड़ता है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अर्न. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ थिंग फॉर अ मैन ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
उसके कुछ ड्रीम्स थे कि वो he wanted to maybe go for hikes and do something which he can't do because he has to look after his family, his old mother, his old father. And the same way women, they also have to look after the children of the household. So अगर लव है तो कहीं ना कहीं आप उनको जाने देंगी, वो आपको जाने देंगे. नहीं है, ड्यूटी बाउंड है, तो फिर गुजार लो उम्र ऐसे ही.
No, so there's a saying कि it says कि those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. So we have to be clear.
आप ही जवाब दे देती ना ये.
नीना जी, ये हम लोग की थियोरेटिकल आंसर्स है, आपकी लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस है, उससे बहुत मजा है सीखने में. Okay. Now I'm going to shift a little bit to the next category, a little bit about work. Okay. So Nivya has asked, ki, Neena ji, I love your movies. My question is, how do you stay relevant always?
I have to be relevant to myself, then I'll be relevant to everybody else. Very simple.
Very beautiful.
But so even like, when trends are changing and there's so many fads and hashtags, and so how do you, so you're staying true to yourself during all these changes that are happening?
Yeah, if you're honest to yourself, you can go through this tide. You can. थोड़ा पैसा होना चाहिए, honest रहना चाहिए. And another thing which I have learned in today's time is modesty is not a good policy.
Really?
हमको सिखाया ना बचपन से. मैं मम्मी को बोलती थी, सारी मम्मी अपने बच्चों की प्रशंसा करती है, तुम हमको क्रिटिसाइज ही करती नहीं हो. एंड टुडे आई रियलाइज दैट अपने नाम का डंका बजाना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू टेल आई एम गुड. यू हैव टू से आई एम द बेस्ट, आई एम द बेस्ट, आई एम द बेस्ट. हमको ये सिर्फ सिखाया था ना, ये सब गलत सिखाया था. ये पैसे की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, प्यार होना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं, सब रबिश है. पैसा भी होना चाहिए, प्यार भी होना चाहिए, और मॉडेस्ट होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज काम नहीं बनते मॉडेस्ट होने से. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड. यू मे हैव another experience.
No, I completely agree, Riyaji. In fact, we push women all the time that you have to brag about yourself. You have to showcase your skills and your capabilities. In fact, we even tell women ki you should brag about the fact that as a mother, what all you learned. Instead of thinking ki, oh, I am just a mother, I am just a housewife. The amount of skills that you have, most other people don't have. Yeah. So on that note, okay, there is Pooja has asked, and yeah, I didn't know about this, by the way, Neena ji. I found out because of this question. She said that your resurgence in the industry post your Instagram post asking for work became iconic. What advice would you give to someone who's afraid to ask for what they deserve?
That's what we were talking about, na? You have to say अपना डंका, अपना झंडा फहराओ खुद. Just say I'm the best. Go and tell people. 25, 30 years back, I was getting a very good break because I was shy. I said कि मैं कैसे उसको बार-बार फोन करूं. I lost it.
We are doing this every day. हम लोग सब ये mistake हर दिन कर रहे हैं.
So I say ना, पैसा मांगने में शर्म करो, काम मांगने में शर्म मत करो, उधार मांगने में शर्म करो.
I think वही ink women आता है बीच में कि हम we are setting the stage for women to show up and create a narrative. That's why the stage is so important.
Yeah. So another one, Priya has asked, ki, it is very inspiring to see the way you have scaled. What is your advice to handle politics at work, especially for women in 50s?
You have to be very clever and smart to handle that, and mostly stay away. Unless somebody is physically or mentally torturing you in some way, stay away from the politics. And I've learned a lesson. Okay, politics खेलते हैं, सब जगह होता है, हर इंडस्ट्री में, हर काम में होता है. अगर आपका काम अच्छा है तो आपको मिलेगा. अगर आप समझते हैं मैं मीडियोकर होके उससे आगे बढ़ जाऊं, तो नहीं होता. काम अच्छा है तो मिलेगा.
And talking about politics, okay, somebody's also asked, ki hats off to you for the journey and the industry which you are pursuing with so much courage. Have you ever thought of entering into politics or doing something for the women who are still struggling?
No. I was struggling too much to think of these things. No. It's not my game. Politics is not. I don't know about politics. It's not my game. Somebody asked me once to join a party. I said no. What have I done to join a party? Have I done something for the society? Have I gone and done some cleaning in Juhu Beach where I walk? No. So what right do I have to stand for elections or join a party? No. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव लर्नड बिकॉज सब लोगों का ऐसा होता है ना कि मुझे ड्रीम है रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का, बुटीक का, वो सब लड़कियों का होता है। मैंने भी करके देखा है, तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी जिस काम में आप अच्छे हैं बस वही करते रहो। बिजनेस खोल लिया, उसमें सारे पैसे डुबो दिए, ये सब मत करो। जो आपको आता है, जो आपने सीखा है वही करो, क्योंकि मैं भुगत चुकी हूँ।
वाह। ओके, अभी पॉलिटिक्स लेके एक और डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन आया है आभा अग्रवाल से। शी सेड, हाउ डू यू हैंडल पॉलिटिक्स इन द फैमिली where your husband brainwashes your own son and daughter against you? It's a pretty tough question.
हाँ, ये it happens. Yeah, I agree. And then you have to be smarter than your husband. है ना? You have to show your son and daughter the real reality, what is there. वही ना, ऑनेस्ट रहोगे ना तो सब ठीक हो जाता है। जहाँ आप थोड़े डिसऑनेस्ट हुए ना, वहां आपको तकलीफ होती है। Now, how do you go back then? You can't go back because you have said something. You can't do. आप अपने हस्बैंड से ज्यादा स्मार्ट बन सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
Okay, Abhi, we'll move a little bit to bias, Nina ji. Okay, Arju Singh has asked, Ki your life has not really been what society defines as for a typical woman. And we continue to see you doing the same. In the movies, mostly aged men get roles more easily than an older woman. Do you still face issues with your co-actors or teams because you are a strong woman? And a lot of men do not really appreciate that. How do you take that up every day and give a tough fight?
I'll tell you something. When you are successful ना, तो problems, ये सब problems नहीं होती है। समझ गए ना? वो रिस्पेक्ट देना पड़ता है ना? When you are less successful, you have these problems, you have to handle them, you have to खून का घूंट पी के भी हम नहीं करा है। I have acted with somebody, my co-actor who was playing my husband, and I never used to talk to him in real life. I used to find him very, very horrible. But I did my work. I said, why should I leave work because he's a bad person? मेरा नुकसान होगा ना? I acted with him. मुझे चाहिए थे पैसे, मुझे चाहिए था काम. So you have to handle the situation according to what it is. और आपको गरज, एक शब्द है ना, गरज है, तो मतलब जरूरत है। आपको कितनी जरूरत है उस हिसाब से लोग आपको रिस्पेक्ट या डिसरिस्पेक्ट करेंगे। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। मैंने बहुत अपमानजनक काम किए, अपमानजनक चीजें सुनी है। when I was struggling, when I was nobody, when I wanted something from them. मेरे को माँ बहन की गाली दी एक डायरेक्टर ने सबके सामने। रो लिए, आगे बढ़े ना, क्योंकि मुझे पता है माय पोजीशन एट दैट टाइम, सक्सेस आने के बाद कोई करके दिखाए।
बहुत
The
सही
very
बोला।
famous actress at that time when this was happening to me, and I started crying, and she took me to her makeup room and she said, "Don't worry, it happens to all of us when we are new." So अब मैं उसको लेके बिटर रहूं, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डोंट बी बिटर। भूल जाओ, आगे बढ़ो। नहीं तो मेरे पास तो बहुत चीजें हैं बिटर होने के लिए, और मैं उनको लेके रोती रहूं कि मेरे लिए भगवान ने अन्याय किया ना।
बहुत बढ़िया।
And at that moment, to find that one person who will make you realize कि ये सबके साथ होता है, just
हाँ,
to let you know.
I was so relieved when she said कि अब मेरे साथ भी हुआ है। मैं कहा, "हैं? तो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?" She was very big famous at that time, and मुझे लगा अच्छा, वो है ना, क्यों सास बहू के सीरियल चलते हैं, है ना? क्योंकि जो देख रहे हैं उनको लगता है मेरी सास ही नहीं मुझसे बुरी है, इस हीरोइन की भी बुरी है। सो मुझे तसल्ली हो जाती है कि आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन सफरिंग, दिस एक्ट्रेस आल्सो इज सफरिंग। सो इट्स लाइक दैट।
I think, I mean, last bit, Neena ji, there are some questions coming about moving forward. Okay? And some women have asked, Usha has said that there are, yeah, I'm going to ask you three questions which are related. Okay? Usha has asked, there are often instances when you're burning with desire to pivot and reinvent yourself, especially after being written off or rejected. But success doesn't respond fast enough. How do you stay motivated during that painful gap? This is one question. Second is from Sukanya, where she said, how do you cope up with failure that is breaking you from inside? And the third question is from Akriti. She has said, what would you suggest one should do when they feel like they're stuck in a dark place, as if they're sinking deeper mentally each day? I'm a working professional, age 25, but I'm so stuck that I'm not being able to see anything in front of me in both relationships and financially. So, if you can talk a little bit about moving forward.
Yeah. It's very easy to say move on, but it's very difficult to move on. I had many occasions where I wanted to go back to Delhi to my parents and teach somewhere, or my mother wanted me to be an IAS officer and things like that. So, like I said, number one, you come home, you cry, cry your heart out. Okay, give galis to everybody who has done nonsense to you. Cry, give galis, wash your face, and think, what else can I do? If I can't do this, what else can I do? Okay, you find something else to do till the time you get where you want to. You be at it, but you can do something else, because if you sit at home and think about that, then you are gone. Then your mental health will go. Go out, meet friends, tell your story, cry to them, do it, do something else. Like I used to cook na, bharta, I used to get free dinner. मेरे को कोई शर्म नहीं थी. So I'm saying, अगर वो नहीं मिल रहा, number one, you have to find out क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. I found out much later in life. I'll tell you, very important thing. My focus from getting work shifted to getting men. Because all of us at a particular age, for us, it's very important to find a guy, to fall in love. My focus shifted from work. This I realized much later. That's why I lost a lot of things. Because आदमी मेरे लिए ज्यादा जरूरी हो गया काम से. और उससे मुझे इतना नुकसान हुआ, physically, mentally, बहुत नुकसान. Which obviously, I mean, you don't, when you are young, you don't realize certain things which you realize when you are older. You do mistakes. But I have done mistake. मैंने अपने को थप्पड़ भी मारा है. How stupid you can be. But उसके बाद तैयार होके उठ के बाहर चली गई. किसी से पूछा, यहाँ कुछ है, यहाँ कोई काम है, यहाँ मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. That's what I'm saying. Move on. मेरे को वो नहीं मिला ना जो मुझे चाहिए था, है ना. मैंने कुछ भी किया. मैंने फिर टीवी शुरू किया, डीडी मेट्रो में काम करना शुरू किया. मैंने अपनी कहानी लिखी, खुद डायरेक्ट किया, सांस बनाया. उसके पहले मैंने डीडी मेट्रो के लिए 2 सीरियल बनाए. एक दर्द सबसे पहले सीरियल बना. I'll tell you something. This must, you must hear. So I made a serial called दर्द. तो उस टाइम डीडी में you had to buy time, okay, and then you had to sell that time to the sponsors. You understand? So I have made one episode, and now मैंने समझो 2 लाख रुपए दूरदर्शन को दिए कि ये ले लीजिए 2 लाख रुपए. अब मुझे 2 लाख का स्पॉन्सर ढूंढना है, समझो. So my first series, दर्द, I made 4 episodes or something like that. With I found a partner who हम पैसे मिला के. Now the day before it was going to be telecast, I had sponsors of only 90,000 instead of 2.5 lakhs.
Oh my God.
Which I had spent from my own and borrowed money. I was crying. एक बार telecast हो गया तो my money is finished. And this was my first thing. And I went to this guy, I'm forgetting his name. Whenever I meet him today, I still touch his feet. Thank you. He was in one of these some big advertising companies, and he was handling some big accounts and all. I went to him. I did not know him. Somebody told me he's a very nice guy. I went to him. I was crying. I said, please help me. And he helped me.
Wow.
I was not going to him. I don't know him. I'll go crying. I said, I have done a mistake. I don't know business. So I did it. One
Awesome.
for the telecast. So I'm just giving you example. Don't let it go. It will happen. Lage raho.
And it will happen again and again.
Again and again. Kalte dam tak hoga.
And so once you learn, and every time that you pull yourself up again, that will help you learn for the next time.
Ah. No, and you do the same mistakes again also most.
No,
ऐसा
thank you.
ज्ञान नहीं प्राप्त होता, थोड़ी सी अक्कल आती है.
No, thank you, Neena ji. I think you really gave us a chance. वो बोलते हैं ना कि instead of making your own mistakes, if we can stand on the shoulders of giants and see life from their perspective, हमें कितना कितना फायदा होएगा. And Neena ji, before we let you go, मेरे को एक reaction आपको बोलना है. One audience member has said, Bhavna Saxena. She has said, please share this with Neena ma'am. I'm a huge fan of her work in Badhai Ho and Panchayat. Her portrayal resonated deeply with me, reminding me of my own mother who raised me and my sisters single handedly after my father's passing. Like Nina ma'am with Masaba, my mother faced societal judgment as a working woman, but she remained strong and independent, saying she didn't need anyone after losing my father. Her courage and resilience inspire me to this day.
Wow. See, there are so many people who go through all this. Yeah.
But thank you so much, Neena ji, and thank you, Archana, for such a lovely session.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.